Hi everyone, here we've got OnePlus 8T and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and find the settings. Now let's tap on the display and let's scroll down until you'll find status bar. Let's tap here. And as you can see, on the second position we've got the show battery percentage option. Now it is obviously turned off, so we can see only the battery icon. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher next to it. And as you can see, right next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. So that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your OnePlus 8T. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.